All right, let's dive into something crucial for APIs, the 6 constraints of REST. You gotta know these. This pops up in interviews all the time, so let's get you ready to nail the answer. So what are these constraints? We're gonna go through them one by one, simple as that.
First up, number 1, the client-server model. This is basically the bedrock of the modern web.
The big idea here is separation. Your client is the pretty front end. The server holds all the data. Think of it like this. The client asks and the server answers. That's the whole deal. All right, constraint number 2 is all about memory. Or, well, having a really bad one on purpose. This means every single request is brand new. The server has no memory of your last visit. And that's the key thing to remember. No session info gets stored on the server. Period.
So, things need to be fast, right? That brings us to our third constraint, being cacheable.
This just means the client can save an answer so it doesn't have to keep asking.
It's a win-win. Less work for the server and a much faster experience for the user. Next up, number 4. This one adds layers of security and scale, but it keeps it simple for the client.
The client thinks it's talking to one server, but there could be a whole bunch of layers in between.
These layers handle things like security or balancing traffic before the request even hits the main server.
Constraint number 5 is all about making sure everyone is speaking the same language. It's about consistency.
Having this single standard way to talk makes the whole system way simpler. No translators needed.
This uniformity is what makes REST so flexible and, honestly, pretty easy to work with.
And last but not least, we have the optional one. This one's a little different.
It's not used all the time, but the server can actually send code for the client to run.
Okay, so those are the 6 constraints. Now let's wrap this up for that big interview.
If you can list these off, you're showing you really get the core ideas behind REST. So it's not just a list of rules. It's the blueprint for the entire modern web.